In this video, I will show you how to download OneXBet application to your iPhone device in Nepal. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. This is exactly what you can do. The first thing is to come to your search bar on your App Store and search for the app OneXBet. Now, unfortunately for you, you might not see the application on your iPhone device. So this is what you can do after you've not seen the application OneXBet. To do that, just click on your account details, or the shortest form, come to your settings. In your settings, you click on your account. On your account, you're going to click on media and purchases. Choose view account, the third option. You're going to come over to country or region. You're going to choose change country or region. Now, once you come over here, you're going to try and search for the country Nepal. So once you search for the country Nepal, here's it. You are going to click on agree. You can read through all of this, but it's a lot of time. But just click on agree. Now, this is where it's very important, and I'll recommend you follow attentively what I'm about to show you. When you come to these details here, the first one, you have to choose none. Your first name and surname, you are going to allow them as they are. In the street, you are going to write the street Baneshwa. So the next street, you're going to allow that empty. The first one, you already have Baneshwa. The city, you're going to write Kathmandu. And then the county, you're going to say write Kathmandu. The postcode, you're going to write the number 44600. And the phone number, you're going to write the phone number 986 5543 684. So I'll retake that. The street, you're going to write Baneshwar. The city, Kathmandu. The county, Kathmandu. The postcode 44600. And the phone 986 5543 684. Once you've written all of that, you click on next. Once you come back to your app store and you search OneXBet, that is the application there, and you can go ahead and install to your iPhone. Very easy. Please, if this video is helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.